College puni pibro kijing tip nam tai Khubor Laitkam teki don Tylli ki post ki belaj hapo Meghalaya Medical Drugs and Service Limited te kitu ki badon ka qualification ki bai ha per kini ki post kila ban apply te ngan play kom kan advertisement. Application from citizen of Meghalaya are originally required for appointment on a contractual basis for a period of 2 years renewable. Take a contract, take a long hours name, can renew for the following post under Meghalaya Medical Drug and Services Limited Meghalaya. Kita long, kita kumba Tylli post. Kita equipment technician, number of post 5. Remuneration as per Mmdsl norms. Te company ni ketika no. Essential qualification and experience kedepan long Bachelor of Technology in Biomedical Engineering BME or similar field kepada ka juga field lane diploma in electronic lane electrical lane medical electronics or similar field kila ban apply skill required exceptional knowledge in the structure and uses of biomedical equipment, solid technical skill and ability to repair machinery with meticulous attention to detail, demonstrate ability to use electrical, electronic, hand tools, electrical drawing and blueprint, thorough knowledge of safety procedure, legal regulation and guidelines, excellent critical thinking and problem solving ability. Experience, a minimum 2 years of experience as a biomedical technician. Take ada begini, kita don kata experience kita apply posting dengan Shillong to post, then the rest will be in Nongpo, Tura, Jowai or Nongstoin. Kinsa pentip pada. Take it Tylli post. Take qualified and interested candidate can submit their application electronically through Google Form link. Take a Google Form link rungan sabu apa description. Only fill up and show apply link batang online benmol ma Google Form link. On or before 4 p.m. of 7 July 2023. Last date is 7 July 2023 with soft copy of their biodata, certificate and job experience. The application of the candidate will be screened and intimate into course screen. Any information updates will be known via appropriate channels. Term and condition. Our biodata and testimonial are to be scanned and forwarded in a single PDF 10 MB. They have scan, have baro ki document jong P, have scan, have sundur, have pen shna kado jong PDF, but long wait less than 10 MB ka size. The competent authority may relax the minimum year of experience if the number of candidate meeting the requirement is less. Telda duna ki candidate ki duna ki bomdon experience ki bon ki bomdon experience dengan penduna no te kila ban apply mo ki bomdon experience ru. Te lada ki bon ki bomdon experience mungkin chim kita ki bomdon experience. Te ngolba ki bomdon experience ru kila ban apply. Preference will be given to candidate of domicile of Meghalaya. Kan preference candidate ki domicile of Meghalaya. Satang andam don. The fees of the undersigned is reserved to write or cancel, extend advice same okay. Applicant are required to fill the Google form via okay. To kena Google form ngasa bu apo ka description sa page yang tu mo. Teki bodon ni kena qualification ber ko ban apply kena post kila ban apply. Tehang ni ka tulop claim mention to stop as per Mmdsl norms. The pintatip nda apply. The class date is 7 July. The kibaran qualification slap apply. Thank you tip.